Alrighty, and we are almost done. This is like the very last step. I'm sure you're tired of hearing my voice too. The absolute last step is where you represent your natural ground level as well as your final road level onto your graphs on here. So I've already showed a little bit of it on the previous example, but I said I use a circle command because I found that it's easier. Essentially, you're looking for what your value is on your natural ground level and then representing it on the graph. So next we have 224.5. Here's 224. We're here, 224.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, I hadn't copied, had I? Oh no. I want the midpoint. Where's the midpoint of the circle? Okay, that's not working. Let's start with the circle from scratch because now it's confusing it with the lines. Great, copy it. So we said 1, 2, 2, 4.5, 2 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope this is the correct one. Next, we're on 2 to 4.6. So just one above that. Next, we're on 2 to 4.3. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're on 2 to 5 on the dot. 2 to 5. 2 to 5.1. So just one up. Next, we're on 2 to 3. There's 2 to 3. Next one, 2 to 3.4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we're on 2 to 3.8. Sorry, I hope it's not making you dizzy now that I keep moving it up and down. 2 to 3.8. 2 to 3. Excuse the background noise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or we could have just done 2 from the top. Then we next have 2 to 4.2. There's 2 to 4. 1, 2. Then we have 2 to 4.5. 2 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 to 4.8. Okay, that's 2 to 5, 9, 8. 2 to 4.3. 4, 1, 2, 3. 2 to 4.7. Can do it from the top again. 1, 2, 3 from the top. 2 to 5 on the dot. There we go. The last one is 2 to 5.6. 2 to 5.6. 1, 2, 3. Should have zoomed in more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that's our natural ground level. I hope they are visible. I really truly hope they're visible. Then what you can do is join them using the spline command. You can say spline, and essentially you're looking for the midpoints of these circles, and you're just essentially joining them with a spline. Just make sure it snaps with the midpoint so that it is accurate. Oh, it's already done there. There. It'll show you a circle when it's exactly at the midpoint, then you can proceed. Okay, this one has gone dizzy. Sante, don't use the curtains. Sorry about that. And that'll be the last one. We can just give it a young, colorful color because, wow. You can specify a new layer here and say NGL, make it yellow. Hey, okay? Hi, baby. Please go pee in the toilet so you don't pee your pants. Your pants are gonna get wet. Please, please, please. Did you have a nice nap? How did you sleep? And we can just make our spline like that. Then next, we're gonna do the same thing with our final road levels. It is a bit of a tedious exercise, I know, but well. First up, 2 to 6.8. 2 to 6.48. 2 to 6.5. 2. It's still 2 to 6. Yeah, 2 to 6.2. 2 to 5.8. Please go pee in the toilet, baby. Did you pee? Did you flush? You didn't flush.
Mama, what's that?
That's what, baby? Hmm? Well, at this point, my circles are overlapping, so it's a bit unclear to see. But essentially, you should have a bit of a smooth curve going on there, okay? And then you're able to smoothen it out even more between the beginning of a vertical curve and the end of a vertical curve. So that is essentially where we get our curvy situation. I think you're still able to have a spline between this, that, and this, but that obviously depends on. Okay, oh my gosh, is a lot. Sorry, baby. Okay, but that is essentially how you carry it out. I'll have to re-record using different colors so we can see the mess we got ourselves into. But